In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an image on Framer, an extremely versatile platform that enables users to design and prototype interactive graphics. We'll look at two convenient methods to accomplish just this: drag and drop, and using the insert panel. To begin with, let's explore the first approach, that is the drag and drop method. The first thing you need to do is locate the image file on your computer. The image file could be any format, including JPEG, PNG, or GIF, and can be located anywhere on your computer, your desktop, documents, or any specific folder that you have allocated for it. The next step is intuitive and straightforward. All you have to do is to click on the file, hold the mouse button down, then drag the file from your folder over to the Framer application window. Once your cursor is hovering over the Framer canvas, simply release the mouse button. You've now successfully added an image using the drag and drop method. Now, let's proceed to the second method, which is using the insert panel. This might be your preferred method if you're looking to add elements directly from within the Framer interface. To start off with this, you need to open the insert panel first. This can be found in the left-hand sidebar of the Framer interface. You would usually find this panel neatly organized with various options. Once you have the insert panel open, your next step is to navigate to the Elements or Media category. These categories can be found amongst other categories in the panel. Your final step in this method is quite similar to the drag and drop approach that we learned a while ago. Here, you're not dragging the file from a folder, but from the Insert panel. So look for the option that says Image on the panel, click on it, and without letting go of the mouse button, start dragging it towards your canvas. Once you're ready with where you want the image to be located, release the mouse button to drop the image element on your canvas. What's more, you can draw out the size of the image element by dragging the corners while placing on the canvas. And there you have it. Now you have learned two intuitive methods for adding an image on Framer: the drag and drop method and the insert panel approach. Each method has its own benefits, and choice of use might depend on your specific needs or personal preferences. They are both extremely easy to follow, and having knowledge of both gives you added flexibility while designing and prototyping on Framer.